PLA On Point. In this video, I show how to request and provide a reason for change in PLA 3.0. In a GMP-compliant environment, I may want to log specific changes to a document. While PLA always reports modifications in the audit trail, the system administrator can also request a reason for changing, moving, and deleting a document. This allows for a human-readable and traceable documentation of critical details. With administrative permissions in PLA, I can access the Database Policies dialog. In the Traceability tab, I select under which condition an operator must provide a reason when changing, moving, or deleting a document. I also choose if a reason is optional or mandatory. And I can also define templates for regular tasks, like entering the batch number or measurement data. There is another section, specifically for changes to protected values, meaning imported values from a plate reader. Here I can define if it's allowed to change them manually, if they can be overwritten by another import procedure, or if they can be marked as technical outliers. Once activated, any modification to a document triggers the reason for change dialog when saving. I can choose a predefined template and provide more details in the reason text box if necessary. The reason for change is displayed in the audit trail and added to the report. That's how reason for change works in PLA 3.0.